sometimes you mess up, right? When you're reading, sometimes you say a word wrong, and sometimes you maybe skip a page. Let's see if I can get this one. Oh, yeah! Right, so we're gonna pay attention, and we're gonna get excited. And the last thing is we're never gonna quit. We're never gonna quit, right? What the heck? Where did you come from? Are you trying to block my goals? My job is to score goals, okay? That's what I do. Are you telling me your job is to block me from my goals? What are we gonna do? We have a goal and now something's trying to block it. Does that ever happen in your life? Guys, goalies happen all the time in our life. And I'm still good at shooting goals, but Kane is really good at blocking them. And so I just gotta make sure I keep going after my goals. Because the one thing is, you gotta pay attention, you gotta get excited, but most importantly, never quit. So even if my goalie is there blocking my goals, oh, he's good. He's a good goalie. All right, let's try. I'm going to try to go here. Oh! All right.